our 4-compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 108 inches. The depth, 24 inches. And a height of 43 inches tall. Four tubs, with each one measuring 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, and 12 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 4 tubs. Left and right drain boards, each one measuring 16 inches in length, 20 inches in depth. Drain baskets will be included. Left and right faucet mounts, with each one measuring 9 inches in diameter. Coming to the left corner is the NSF certification sticker. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.